Hi friends, today I am going to unbox octane gel pen. Let's start. So this is octane gel pen. Octane gel pen kit. So there are 5 colors: yellow, pink, blue, green and orange. So this is from Classmate company. This company produces notebooks, pens, pencils, mathematical drawing instruments, erasers, sharpeners and art stationery. The net quantity is 5 gel pens. Ink color is blue and the MRP is 50 rupees. Now let's open it.